Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country style home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Country style home decor is a warm, inviting design aesthetic inspired by rural farmhouse living. It emphasizes comfort, natural elements, and a lived-in charm. Here are some tips to help you create the perfect country-style home decor look, whether you are decorating a whole house or just refreshing a room. Decorating tips for country style charm. Mix old and new. Combine antique or vintage pieces with modern comforts. A reclaimed wood coffee table next to a new linen sofa keeps things cozy but functional. Embrace imperfections. Country style celebrates character. Chipped paint, weathered finishes, or handmade items add soul. Use open storage. Open shelves, hooks, and hanging pot racks aren't just practical, they double as decor. Display dishes, mugs, oven baskets, or preserved herbs. Incorporate nature. Use natural elements like wooden bowls, dried lavender, wildflowers, or seasonal greenery. Place a bundle of twigs, pine cones, or a potted herb on the kitchen windowsill. Dye details, hand-painted signs, messenger lighting, or handmade wreaths add personal charm. Repurpose old threads, leathers, or shutters as decor pieces. Focus on cozy lighting. Use warm, soft lighting, table lamps, string lights, lanterns, or vintage candlelight. Avoid harsh LED lights. Go for warm bulbs or candlelight where possible. Add soft window treatments, light flowy curtains in cotton or linen give a breezy, cozy feel. Consider ruffled balances or floral gingham prints for an extra cottage touch. Think function first. Country homes are designed for living. Every piece should have a purpose. Decorate with things you use: cutting boards, pictures, rolling pins, or books. Use statement furniture. On large farmhouse style table or an antique armory can anchor a space and bring the theme together. Painted furniture in soft whites, shell green, or belly blue adds charm. Use oven and handcrafted items and hand-woven baskets for storage and decoration. Macrame wall hangings, handmade pottery, or hand-knit drawers fit perfectly in this style. Incorporate farm-inspired accents. Think barn doors, milk cans, galvanized tubs, oil baskets, or chickenware cabinets. These little nods to rural life bring authenticity and charm. Create focal points with statement pieces, a vintage hut, cast iron stove, or a rustic fireplace can serve as the heart of the room. Dress them up with simple decor like greenery or candles. Decorate with books, old books with own covers, or vintage cookbooks on display add charm. Stack them or open to a favorite recipe in the kitchen. Use soft muted color palettes. Go for chalky or dusty versions of colors like faded blue, blush pink, mossy green. Avoid anything too glossy or high contrast. Incorporate quilts and patchwork. Use them as throws, bed covers, or even wall art. Mix floral, gingham, or plaid patterns to enhance the cozy, layered look. Keep it lived-in and welcoming. Avoid overstyling or making things look too polished. Let your home feel warm and relaxed. Country style is about comfort, not perfection. Add seasonal touches. Use natural seasonal decor, pumpkins in the fall, pine branches in winter, fresh flowers in spring. Swap out textiles or wreaths seasonally to keep things fresh and cozy. Use wallpaper or bedboard. Add charm with floral, toile, or gingham wallpaper on an accent wall. Bedboard or shiplap paneling instantly gives a rustic farmhouse texture, perfect for entryways, bathrooms, or behind shelves. Play with architectural details. Add wax wooden ceiling beams for that old country feel. Use corbels, brackets, and trim with antique details to dress up corners or shelves. Decorate with crockery and ceramics. Display ceramic pictures, stoneware bowls, or vintage teacups. These double as useful kitchen tools and beautiful decor. Incorporate lace or ruffles. Use lace toiles, ruffled pillowcases, or country trims. This adds a soft, feminine cottagecore touch to the rustic look. Repurpose old farm tools or equipment. Turn an old leather into a towel rack or blanket holder. Use a vintage washboard, wheelbarrow, or plow blade as wall art. Create a cozy nook. Set up a reading corner with a comfy chair, quilt, and vintage side tables. Use rustic signs and typography. Hang signs with sayings like gather, farm fresh, or home sweet home. Hand painted wooden signs or vintage metal typography add Decorate with food-inspired elements. Hang bunches of garlic or herbs. Store grains in clusters or display fruit in wooden bowls. Let your kitchen look like it's always ready for a cozy homemade meal. Include iron or old iron metal. Use iron curtain rods, bed frames, hooks, and candelabras for a classic touch. Dried metal contrasts beautifully with soft country colors. Use animal wire and tin accents. Decorate with vintage animal pictures, buckets, or trays, which add a rustic touch while being highly functional. Tin or galvanized accents like watering cans or planters embrace the farmhouse feel. Embrace simplicity with minimalistic decor. Keep decorations to a minimum in some areas to balance the cozy clutter with some clean, open spaces. Repurpose old doors or windows. Use a vintage door as a headboard or turn old window panes into a decorative wall-piece. Distressed doors and windows can add a lot of character and are great conversation starters. Create a farmhouse kitchen look. Use vintage mason jars for storage, add open shelving for dishes, and incorporate farmhouse-style sink like an apron front sink. Install a large farmhouse table in the center for family meals or casual gatherings. Thanks for watching the video.